just a really simple topping. So I have heavy cream. Sometimes you'll see whipping cream, but what I'm looking for is something with fat. You need fat for whipped cream. But if you're vegan, they also have, Califia has a whipped topping that's coconut milk, so you can use that as well. All you need, heavy cream, or the substitute. I have powdered sugar here because it dissolves easily. I have some vanilla extract. It doesn't have to be vanilla. It could be maple. It could be whatever extract that you're going to be using. My hand blender with the barrel attachment. And I'm just pouring some whipped cream. You decide how much you want. I'm going to add some sugar. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla. Touch. And I'm going to add just a pinch of salt, just so it actually tastes a little bit like ice cream. And the reason I'm doing this is because everything is compact, because I don't need a lot. Now you can use a whisk if you want to, but this makes it super easy. The cream has to be cold. You're going to see it growing. It's already done. That's what you want. Look how beautiful that is. So you saw how easy that was. What you're looking for are these really soft peaks, right? It's not lumpy. Now I'm going to go in. I mean, look at that. That's so good. Go ahead. Make it. Now, if your cream gets over mixed, all right. So this is perfect. Look how stiff it is. This is beautiful. I mean, this is beautiful. But let's say it gets over mixed. Let me show you what over mixed cream looks like. This hurts my heart so much. Oh my God. What do we have here? This right here is over whipped cream. It's really over whipped. If we keep going, we will make butter. So it's fine. If you over whip it, just keep going, right? Let's keep going. All right, this looks like cottage cheese. If you ever get a dessert at a restaurant and they put this on top of your dessert, oh my God, it's not good. It's just not good. But, let's say this is what you have. Hold on. You have this. You have more cream. Add a little cream in there. Okay. I'm going to stir this up. Now, I'm mixing it. I want you to see where I am. Okay, you saw I just poured the cream in there, right? Now look at this. It's not going to be as smooth as it was before, but it looks a lot better than what you had.